Z, Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. The issue surrounding Igbo ancient hatred by the Nigeria state, as you will hear soon. Now, we are going to see General Yakubu Gowon and General Obasanjo when they captured Biafran heroes to surrender, revealing the truth behind the seemingly endless suffering of Igbo people in Nigeria. There's huge element of hatred and tribalism against the Igbo race, which makes it difficult for them to get justice at the court of law in Nigeria. The situation for the Igbo people in Nigeria is complex and involves historical grievances, ethnic tensions, and struggles for justice. Here's a breakdown of some key points and resources to help you explore the issue further. Historical context: the Nigerian Civil War, 1967 to 1970, a fight for an independent Biafra, a region largely populated by Igbo people, left deep scars. Mistrust and resentment linger between the Igbo people and the Nigerian government. Allegations of marginalization: there are claims that the Igbo people face discrimination in areas like political representation, job opportunities, and access to resources. Legal complexities: the justice system's perceived bias against the Igbo is a serious concern. However, legal systems are intricate, and individual cases can have unique factors that determine outcomes. Here are some resources to learn more, with a focus on reputable and objective sources, in this video. Please share, like, and subscribe to support the channel and hear from General Yakubu Gowon and General Obasanjo when they captured Biafran heroes to surrender. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
And we have with us today Colonel Obasanjo, and unfortunately the other field commanders are not able to be with us at this moment. But we have Colonel Obasanjo, who is the commander of 3 Marine Commando, who have been able to capture a number of senior secessionist officers, and he had brought them to Lagos to see us in order to let us have the acceptance of the spirit of one Nigeria.
To formally give up secession and report for reappointment and redeployment.
Hello. Your Excellency.
Glad to see you again.
My pleasure.
How are you?
Very well indeed.
Glad to see you again. Thank you.
Patrick Amadi.
How are you?
Excellency.
Glad to see you again.
Thank you very much.
Glad to see you again.
It's an experience.
Honestly. Glad to see you again.
And I would like, therefore, to take this opportunity to say that I, Major General Philip Effiong, officer administering the government of the Republic of Biafra, now wish to make the following declaration: that we affirm we are loyal Nigerian citizens and accept the authority of the federal military government of Nigeria, that we accept the existing administrative and political structure of the Federation of Nigeria, that any future constitutional arrangement will be worked out by representatives of the people of Nigeria, that the Republic of Biafra hereby ceases to exist.
The war aim of Biafra is purely to prevent ourselves being slaughtered, nothing more. We haven't got the sophisticated war aim of Nigeria to conquer, to overrun, to do something or the other. For us, it's merely to prevent. And if anybody is going to judge our success and failure in this war, it will have to depend on how much we have prevented the enemy from killing us.
Here, I was reading a headline. Obasanjo is saying that Igbophobia in Nigeria. They have never seen Nigeria. This is a guy who went to the east and shot people dead because they wanted Biafra. Obasanjo killed. He was one of the officers that obtained the surrender of Biafrans. They were asking for a nation. Obasanjo and others, Danjuma, Buhari, Babangida, they went to the east and killed people, Murtala, and killed people up to 3.5 million people. They did not even apologize for it. And some, maybe 60 years later, you are saying that you suddenly found out that people hate Igbos. When you, in Nigeria's uniform, went and killed children, women, men, boys, who are of Igbo extraction.
But the way you describe it is a bit more grievous and
what is grievous? What is more grievous than war?
No, it might not be exactly the way you're pointing it.
Yes.
There are war scenarios, civil war scenarios that happened. There was a strife.
No,
in
what I'm
this
saying is that
country.
this is part of
But
history.
when you isolate individuals, like
you know why I
that,
brought
and
you
mention
know why I brought the Obasanjo thing out? Because I was reading that I was really livid that he suddenly found out that there's Igbophobia. When the Nigerian army carried out a pogrom, carried out massacre of Igbos, and because he wants to play on the intelligence and emotions of Igbos, you will be clapping for him. Oh, Obasanjo is now our human rights defender. Oh, see, he's fighting for Igbo. I have never seen anybody amongst Nigerians that probably killed more Igbos than Obasanjo. They kill people in the Civil War.
You don't have evidence to that.
What are you talking about? That you don't have evidence of soldiers killing people in Biafra?
But when you named someone as
Obasanjo was the third commando now.
Yeah.
He took over from Benjamin Adekunle. Go and read history. He wrote it even in his own books.
But the
are you saying that they didn't kill people? They didn't kill Igbos during the Civil War?
I'm not rewriting history, but I'm saying pointing one individual and mentioning his name.
No, but it's not about mentioning. He has a title. He was a military man. He was in the military. They killed people. What do I need to tell you again? I'm just saying that Nigeria did not start falling apart.
Body policy. They would like to feel that in Nigeria they could aspire to any position. They would like to feel that there are no limitations to their contributive capacity in Nigeria. They would like to feel that they could be appreciated fully in Nigeria. They would like to feel that they could be honored in Nigeria for their contribution. In short, the Igbo would like to feel that one day an Igbo could become president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Folks do not understand what it means to be a Biafran.
You have not seen anything yet. I was kidnapped. I was beaten. I was spat at. My clothes were ripped from my body. Women urinated and poured it on me because of Biafra, so that they may humiliate me to such a point that I will not talk about Biafra anymore. They videoed me. Masop has a video of me where they were beating me, dragging me on the floor, tearing my clothes because I spoke the truth. That did not stop me from talking about Biafra. It did not stop me from taking Radio Biafra to Enugu. It did not stop me from broadcasting Radio Biafra from Nnewi. It did not stop me from broadcasting Radio Biafra from Onitsha, from Owerri, from Aba, from Port Harcourt. I am resolute. I don't retreat. Never. Nigeria has put me in detention before. Solitary confinement. It did not stop me from preaching Biafra. How about an imbecile? Some we are talking. How can that affect me? If those that kidnapped me and nearly killed me did not stop me from doing Biafra, how about an imbecile hiding somewhere? People must know who I am. I am destructively stubborn. You see, Biafra is going to come.
You don't know what it means. Most of us do not understand what it